Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome one and all. I hope you guys are doing fantabulous and it's a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Welcome, welcome. Today on the menu we have a nice little date night treat, some chocolate covered strawberries. Here we have the little ingredients we are gonna use to create this niceness. Yes, some white chocolate and some dark chocolate. So I'm preparing my dark chocolate to be melted. I'll be using both dark chocolate and white chocolate. White chocolate is my absolute fave. I'm cutting it up into smaller pieces instead of leaving it in the big chunks because when it's in smaller pieces, it's easier to melt. It melts way faster this way. And by the way, I'll be putting it in the microwave to be melted. So now that I've finished my little cutting up, I'm going to add it to my little ceramic bowl. That's microwave safe. Guys, please make sure whatever I'm going to melt the chocolate in, make sure say it microwave safe, because I know we say fire. No, we no say that. We no say that. And take up, oh no, my usual, take up every little bit. So here I'm going to start breaking the white chocolate. This one is softer than the dark chocolate, so I'm just using my hands to break it into small pieces. I already put the dark chocolate in the microwave. I just haven't turned it on as yet. May I try, wait till it little closer or till I almost have this ready. Then I turn on the microwave. And there, just turn it on. Give it 30 seconds each time until it's completely melted. Now it's ready. So here are my beautiful strawberries that I'll be dipping in that melted chocolate. After you melt it, guys, take a spoon and stir it just to make sure it's all melted. So go ahead and dip that voluptuous strawberry in that chocolate. You can dip it all the way or only leave out only leave out the stem, or you can dip it and leave out a little bit of the red part for sure. So I did already prepare my little grease paper to put the strawberry on to dry. And guys, these are so easy to be done and is great for a little inside date night dessert, or even if you're having a little get together and you want pretty up your table and have a little half healthy, half sweetness to your menu, then this is it. So yeah, when you lift the strawberry out of the chocolate, you can wipe off the excess chocolate on the side of the container. Looks so nice and shiny. Dip away, girl. Dip away. Cause a we say date night, I got nice. Zoom in, I say zoom in and show them niceness. Zoom right in. Yes. Why? Me say this thing was so hot. See me there about me a touch and feel. Yeah. And me not in a no bun thing except Easter bun. And I didn't want to hold it with my mittens because you know it a go big and me not gonna get a grip at the bowl. So yeah, that's why I use the paper napkin to hold it. So now I'm preparing the white chocolate covered strawberries, and I'll be doing some way no fish red ashore and others were a little bit red. And remember to wipe off the excess chocolate. And this is so much fun to do. You know, nothing we are stressy and, you know, yeah. So you will have energy for date night. Yeah, do that. By the way, after a while, you can take them up, like move them. So just move them over a little bit, take them out of the area where them in, just to remove the excess chocolate and then put them over a little bit. Here they are, leave them for go and dry. So uno know I me say add little extra excitement, spice up your life. So for this you have to warm up the chocolate again. Just make sure say you can get a little consistent flow to decorate with. So guys, if you have a little small piping bag, then you can use that. But let's be real. How many people have little piping bag a lay around them kitchen? So me I go do it a more article way where everybody can take part. Cause we say we have a spoon in we yard, everybody have a little spoon. Yeah, and we say date night dessert. So see it here, use the spoon and get a good amount of chocolate on it and then move it from left to right or right to left over the strawberry, and I do that. Again, chocolate pan spoon, left to right, right to left, and I do that. All easy. So yeah, wanna see them y'all all done and ready for date night appearance. So you know when Obi come home or wifey, if a Obi make it, them come home to a nice little treat where uno can enjoy after dinner all alone, no kids allowed, or you can just left two for them, you know. But this is about us big people having some time for ourselves. Would we dessert will look like say bye we buy it. Guys, I thoroughly enjoyed these chocolate covered strawberries. As I've said, I love my white chocolate, it's my favorite, but I was so surprised how much I enjoyed the dark one as well. The sweetness of the chocolate and the nice refreshing taste of the strawberries were the perfect combo because it turned out not to be too sweet. Guys, don't forget to share the recipes with someone, send the link to friends and family and ask them for subscribe. Spread the word. And I don't mean just this video, all of the video them. As usual, you guys are greatly appreciated. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, comment below and tell me if uno woulda eat this and share. Look there, uno look there. It looks so good. It looks so good. But most importantly, guys, subscribe. To those of you who are watching and not subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. As always, God bless you.